Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. In this OddsMonkey tutorial video, we're going to be looking at the Racing Matcher tool and how it can help you make match betting profits with horse racing on the refund offers that bookmakers put on. As usual, before we get on the laptop, I'll quickly mention the Profit Boss Match Betting Facebook group and the Profit Boss Ko-fi page, which has free courses over there and will soon to have more free courses for your viewing pleasure. The links for those will be down in the description as usual. But having said that, getting on the laptop then, here we are on the OddsMonkey dashboard. And to get to the Racing Matcher tool, it's really simple. So you've just got these 5 blue buttons here and then the yellow casino hub button on the end. But the one we want is just that third one along in the kind of middle of the screen that says Racing Matcher. So I'll go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that button, you're then met with this screen, and it's quite simple really. On the left hand side, you've got a button which says offers on it, and then a little blue button that says refresh. So if we go ahead and click that offers button, it brings out this little sidebar, and you don't need to touch that view mode option there at the top. It's best to just leave that alone. It keeps things nice and simple. And the offers type is basically a selection there of what kind of offers. So really, you can just keep that as selected all, just so you can have a look at every single offer that's going to be given out for the day. Now, the next tab down is probably the most important tab, and that says please select offer. And when you click that, it gives all the offers there in a nice, easy to follow format. And there's not many offers here because we're actually on a Tuesday evening. If this was a Saturday, we would have many more offers here available. But that's what's great about this tool, and really what this video is for, to show everyone how amazing this tool is here on OddsMonkey. If you've not yet got OddsMonkey, don't forget to use the promo code ProfitBoss50 to get 50% off your first month. Now, just selecting one of these as an example here, not that I'm saying this offer that I've selected is, an amazing offer, but just as an example, when you select an offer, you then have the races, so the meetings and the times of those meetings that offer applies to. So you can see there it's on 3 meetings there for today. Then as you scroll further down, you can set the minimum odds or maximum odds. I normally just leave that as it is. Whatever the numbers are in there, I don't touch that. But then what's really good is you can actually select which exchanges you want to be showing. So for me, I always just press, I deselect the select all button, and I just select Smarkets and have just Smarkets on there as the exchange. And for the minimum rating option there, if it's, say, for example, something like a second place refund offer, and there are 12 horses running, you would then likely want to put that to probably around a 95% as a minimum rating. And then you can press auto hide to yes. That's default set as yes, but make sure it's set as yes. Then press the apply/refresh button. Once you press that apply button, it will then look for any horses that match up for that over 95% match on that offer and for whichever races you've selected there. This isn't something that I do here, but if you wanted to get even further advanced, you could select this horse filter and press unselect all of them, and then just select specific horses that you wanted for that offer. As I say, I've never done that. I would just have them all as selected on there, but that's just another option that you have there with this Racing Matcher tool. So I hope now you appreciate how amazing this Racing Matcher tool is. If you have found any value from this video, please do take the time to press the like button now. It is massively appreciated. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.